What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, first of all, where have you been? Second, hit the subscribe button because today we are doing something crazy. This is the story of one boy, one mission to find the play zone. And after getting his official VI pass, he was in. First stop, the logical choice. The ball pit. Ruhan entering the colorful ball pit, sinking in, smiling, and throwing the balls. Look at him. He's completely submerged and loving the chores of all these colors. After that, Ruhan playing the piano, xylophone, and the gear on the wall. He's hacking the music systems. Now, the next challenge is the giant climbing wall. Ruhan climbing the steep, colorful slides. Whoosh! No time for break. It's straight to the next obstacle. Running, jumping, and sliding. It's not all running and jumping. Time for the smart zone. His coloring, spelling, counting, and puzzle solving. We loved a well rounded play day. First, a little coloring. He's an artist. He's chosen to color the monkey brown, very realistic, a true visionary. Now, a spelling bee. Snail, cloud, and then find the differences. After that, we will play some memory match game and then counting the numbers. Final challenge, a digital jigsaw puzzle. He's placing the pieces carefully, thoughtfully. Let's see, will he do it? Very good, Ruhan. My son, the puzzle master. Good job, buddy. If you love a good spy story, hit that like and subscribe button. Over and out. Thank you.